Here are some secrets to a successful marriage. Communication. Open and honest communication is essential in any relationship. 2. Trust. Trust is the foundation of a strong and successful marriage. 3. Respect. Mutual respect between partners is crucial to maintaining a healthy and happy marriage. 4. Compromise. A willingness to compromise and find common ground is key to resolving conflicts and keeping the relationship strong. 5. Teamwork. A successful marriage involves working together as a team to achieve common goals and overcome challenges. 6. Intimacy. Physical intimacy and emotional connection are important for maintaining a strong and healthy marriage. 7. Forgiveness. It's important to forgive your partner when they make mistakes and learn from them, in order to move forward and grow together. 8. Patience. Patience is a virtue in any relationship and can help you navigate through difficult times. 9. Support. Supporting and encouraging your partner in their personal and professional endeavors can help strengthen the bond between you. Love. At the end of the day, love is the foundation of any successful marriage.